Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0705, indicates an issue within the transmission range switch circuit, primarily detected by the Transmission Control Module, TCM. This code is triggered when the TCM identifies multiple signal inputs instead of receiving the correct signal for the selected gear range. The transmission range switch plays a crucial role in this system. It informs the TCM of the gear selection, impacting overall vehicle operation. This switch is typically located on or near the transmission housing. Understanding this code is vital, as it can lead to transmission malfunction, affecting drivability and safety if not addressed promptly. The following slides will help in troubleshooting this issue effectively and efficiently. The transmission range switch is a critical component in the Honda Accord's transmission system. It is located on the transmission housing and monitors the gear shift position. This switch sends signals to the TCM, which translates them into appropriate transmission adjustments. If the range switch malfunctions, it can disrupt this communication, leading to the TCM storing DTC P0705. This disruption in signal leads the vehicle to experience multiple inputs where only one is expected, causing potential issues in gear shifting and overall transmission performance. Accurate diagnosis is essential to pinpoint the specific area of failure, ensuring a targeted repair approach. Several potential causes exist for the P0705 DTC. Firstly, a faulty transmission range switch can fail to send accurate signals to the TCM. This can initiate multiple signal inputs. Shorted wires in the circuit may produce similar symptoms, leading to incorrect signals being sent. Moreover, if the TCM, which interprets these signals, is malfunctioning, it might falsely identify an error, triggering this code. Lastly, a defective shift position indicator panel can also be a contributing factor by failing to convey proper position feedback. Identifying the exact source of the problem is critical to effective repair. The symptoms associated with DTC P0705 can significantly affect vehicle performance. Drivers may notice a malfunction or delay in the transmission's shifting capabilities, leading to a rough or erratic driving experience. The dashboard may illuminate warning lights, alerting the driver to a potential issue in the transmission system. In more severe cases, this code can result in complete unresponsiveness from the vehicle when attempting to shift into certain modes. This condition poses safety risks and needs immediate attention to prevent further complications. Recognizing these symptoms can lead to quicker diagnostics and effective repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0705 involves testing the transmission range switch. Begin by verifying the input signals of the range switch using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This tool allows you to compare the signals received by the TCM against expected values for each gear position. Any discrepancies indicate a failure in the range switch. It's crucial to note that the testing should be conducted with the vehicle in the on mode. Identifying whether the signals correspond with the actual physical positions of the gear shifter will streamline the troubleshooting process significantly. The second step in troubleshooting involves inspecting the shift position indicator panel. This component works in conjunction with the transmission range switch, informing the driver of the current gear selection. Use the HDS to conduct a thorough inspection, checking whether the indicator panel displays correct information during various gear positions. Inspect any wiring connected to this panel for short circuits or other abnormalities that could impact signal transmission. If anomalies are found, repairing or replacing this panel may resolve the issues related to DTC P0705. The third troubleshooting step emphasizes performing shorted wire inspections. Disconnect the relevant connectors, including the transmission range switch and TCM. Inspect all wires associated with the ATP signals: ATP-P, ATP-R, ATP-N, ATP-D, ATP-S, ATP-L, ATP-forward, and ATP-RVS. With a multimeter, check for continuity and resistance, ensuring that the wires do not show signs of shorts, either to each other or to ground. Confirm that resistance readings are above 1 megaohm, indicating healthy wiring. Identifying any shorts will guide you to the faulty area of the circuit, leading to P0705. In the fourth step, focus on ground inspections for potential faults. Begin by ensuring that the TCM and transmission range switch connectors are disconnected. Like the previous step, utilize your multimeter to check for shorts to ground across each signal circuit. Each circuit must show values exceeding 1 megaohm. If not, the ground circuit is likely faulty. This step is crucial, as a short to ground can simulate signal input issues, complicating the diagnosis. Thoroughly examining all potential ground points will help to identify if any components are affected, thus leading to a successful resolution of the DTC. The final troubleshooting step requires a comprehensive inspection of the TCM itself. If all previous checks return normal results, the TCM may be the faulty component. Testing its functionality involves verifying that it effectively interprets the signals from the range switch and other components. If this module fails to perform, if the input signals are within normal ranges, it may require recalibration or replacement. Addressing TCM failures can restore normal operation and clear the DTC. Ensuring thorough checks of all related components before concluding TCM as faulty will streamline the repair process. After completing all necessary repairs based on troubleshooting insights, conduct a final verification. Begin by clearing the stored DTCs in the TCM using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. Following this step, it's essential to perform a test drive to confirm that the transmission operates correctly through all gear ranges without triggering the P0705 code again. Pay attention to any abnormal shifting patterns or warning lights that may reappear. Successful verification ensures that the issue is resolved, stabilizing the vehicle's shifting performance and restoring optimal functionality. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding DTC P0705 in the future. Scheduling regular system diagnostics can detect issues before they escalate, allowing for timely repairs. Additionally, periodically inspecting the wiring and connections associated with the transmission range switch and TCM can prevent shorts or other electrical faults. It's also vital to replace any worn or damaged components immediately, as older parts are prone to failure. Maintaining good practices like this can extend vehicle lifespan and promote smooth transmission operation, reducing the likelihood of error codes. In conclusion, DTC P0705 represents a critical error concerning the transmission range switch circuit in Honda Accord models from 2023 onwards. Understanding this context helps in recognizing the symptoms and implications of the error. Following a structured troubleshooting approach allows for effective identification and rectification of faults. Emphasizing thorough inspections throughout the process ensures that no underlying issues are overlooked. By maintaining an organized repair routine and understanding the significance of each step, technicians can not only address the immediate error, but also lay the foundation for reliable vehicle performance moving forward. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.